How to add audio effects in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added some audio to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Audio Effects. Find the effect you want and drag it into one of the clips. If you want to apply the effect to all the clips in the audio tracks, drag the effect into audio track and not in a clip. Now the audio effect is applied and you can change its values. Click on the audio track, open up Inspector, and click on Effects tab. In this tab, all the effects that are applied are visible, and we can change them. We also can apply audio effects in the fairlight page. Open up the fairlight page. Open up the Effects panel, click on Audio Effects, and find the effect you want to use. Drag an effect into an audio clip to apply it only to that clip. Or drag the effect into an audio track to apply it to all the clips in that track. Now in the Mixer panel, you can see a list of effects that applied to this track and you can delete them. You also can click on this plus button and click on the audio effect you want to add to the track. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.